Mastering your finances in 30 days might sound impossible, but it isn't. With a bit of discipline and the right guidance, you can significantly improve your financial situation in just 1 month. Whether you're struggling with debt, poor budgeting, or lack of savings, taking control of your finances is empowering. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see positive changes. Think about how relieved you'd feel not worrying about money. Imagine having an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Picture paying off debt and saving for the future. These are achievable goals. They just require a plan and commitment to stick to that plan. This guide will help you master your finances in 30 days. We'll cover common financial problems and practical steps to address them. You'll learn how to budget, save, and manage debt effectively. You'll see the importance of an emergency fund. By the end, you'll have a clear path to financial stability. Did you know that nearly 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? That's a staggering number. It means that most people are just one unexpected expense away from financial disaster. Living this way creates constant stress and limits your ability to plan for the future. It's hard to save money or pay off debt when every dollar is already spoken for. Many people think they'll always live this way, but it doesn't have to be that way. The first step to financial freedom is recognizing the problem. Once you understand how common it is, you'll realize you're not alone. Many people have been in your shoes and have successfully turned their finances around. Improving your financial situation is not about making a lot of money. It's about making smart choices with the money you have. It's about breaking the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. This guide will show you how to do just that. Why is mastering your finances so important? For starters, it reduces stress. Financial stress can affect your health, relationships, and overall well-being. When you have control over your money, you sleep better at night. You make more informed decisions and avoid impulsive spending. Financial mastery also allows you to achieve your goals. Whether you want to buy a house, start a business, or retire comfortably, having your finances in order is crucial. It provides the foundation you need to reach your dreams. Without financial stability, your goals can seem out of reach. Moreover, being financially secure gives you freedom. You can make choices based on what you want, not just what you can afford. You can take risks, like starting a new career or investing in a passion project. It's about having options and the ability to make changes without financial fear. Lastly, mastering your finances sets a good example for others. Whether it's your children, friends, or community, being financially responsible inspires others to do the same. Your financial health impacts not only your life, but the lives of those around you. Debt is a major financial challenge for many people. It can feel like a heavy weight that's impossible to lift. Credit card debt, student loans, medical bills, and car payments can quickly add up. The interest rates make it hard to get ahead. You pay and pay, but the balance seems to never go down. One reason people accumulate debt is because of poor spending habits. It's easy to swipe a card without thinking about how you'll pay it off. Emergencies can also lead to debt. Without an emergency fund, unexpected expenses go straight onto credit cards. Another issue is not understanding the terms of the debt. Many people don't realize how much interest they're paying. They might only make the minimum payment, which barely covers the interest, let alone the principal. This keeps them in a cycle of debt that's hard to break. But there's hope. With a plan and some discipline, you can start paying off your debt. It won't happen overnight, but every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. We'll cover practical steps for managing debt later in this guide. Section 5. Common financial challenges, lack of savings. Another common financial problem is the lack of savings. Many people don't save enough money, if any at all. This leaves them vulnerable to financial emergencies. Without savings, an unexpected car repair or medical bill can derail your budget and lead to debt. There are several reasons people don't save. Some think they don't make enough money to save. Others prioritize spending over saving. They might also believe that saving is something they can do later, not realizing how important it is to start now. Not having savings also means missing out on opportunities. With a savings cushion, you can take advantage of investment opportunities or make major purchases without going into debt. It gives you financial security and peace of mind. Building savings takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Even small amounts add up over time. We'll discuss strategies for saving money in a practical, manageable way. The goal is to make saving a habit, so you're always prepared for the unexpected. Section 6. Common financial challenges. Poor budgeting. Poor budgeting is a common financial challenge. Many people don't have a budget. They spend without a plan. This leads to overspending and debt. Without a budget, tracking money is hard. Creating a budget is essential. A budget is a plan for your money. It helps you see earnings, spending, and where to cut back. Prioritize spending to align with goals. Find a budgeting method that works for you. Be consistent and review regularly. Adjust as needed to stay on track. We'll explore practical budgeting methods. Create a budget that fits your lifestyle. With a good budget, you'll have more control over your money. Section 7. Practical steps. Building a budget. Building a budget is the first step to mastering your finances. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Write down everything you earn and spend for a month. This will give you a clear picture of where your money goes. Be honest and include all expenses, even small ones. Next, categorize your expenses. Common categories include housing, utilities, food, transportation, entertainment, and debt repayment. Assign a budget amount to each category based on your income and spending habits. Make sure your total expenses do not exceed your income. Then, look for areas where you can cut back. Maybe you're spending too much on dining out or entertainment. Find ways to reduce these expenses. Even small cuts can add up over time. Redirect the money you save to more important areas like debt repayment or savings. Finally, review and adjust your budget regularly. Your financial situation may change, and your budget should reflect those changes. Stay flexible and make adjustments as needed. The goal is to stick to your budget and use it as a tool to achieve your financial goals. Section 8. Practical steps, saving strategies. Saving money is crucial for financial health. Start by setting a savings goal. It could be an emergency fund, a vacation, or a down payment on a house. Having a goal gives you something to work towards and makes saving more motivating. Next, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you save money without thinking about it. Treat your savings like a bill you have to pay each month. This makes it a priority. Look for ways to save money in your daily life. Cut back on non-essential expenses like dining out or subscription services. Use coupons and shop sales. Find cheaper alternatives for things you regularly buy. Every little bit helps and adds up over time. Consider opening a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer higher interest rates than regular savings accounts, so your money grows faster. Shop around and compare rates to find the best option for you. Remember, the key to saving is consistency. Save regularly, no matter how small the amount. Section 9. Practical steps, managing debt. Managing debt is a critical step in mastering your finances. Start by listing all your debts, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment for each. This will give you a clear picture of what you owe. One effective strategy is the debt snowball method. Focus on paying off your smallest debt first. This creates momentum and keeps you motivated. Another strategy is the debt avalanche method. Focus on paying off the highest interest rate debt first. This saves you money on interest in the long run. Choose the method that works best for you and stick to it. Section 10. The power of an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net. It's money set aside for unexpected expenses, like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Start by setting a goal for your emergency fund. A good rule of thumb is to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This might seem like a lot, but you can build it over time. The key is to start now and contribute regularly. Keep your emergency fund in a separate, easily accessible account. A high-yield savings account is a good option. This keeps the money safe and earns interest, but is still available when you need it. Avoid using this fund for non-emergencies. It's there to protect you in times of real need. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind. You'll know you have a cushion to fall back on. This reduces stress and allows you to focus on other financial goals. It's one of the most important steps you can take to master your finances. Section 11. Encouragement and further reading. You've learned a lot about mastering your finances in 30 days. We've covered the importance of financial mastery, common financial challenges, and practical steps for budgeting, saving, and managing debt. Remember, the goal is to take control of your money and improve your financial health. Now it's your turn. Start implementing these strategies today. Make a budget, set savings goals, and create a plan to pay off debt. Be patient and stay committed. Financial mastery is a journey, not a destination. Every small step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Share your financial tips and experiences with others. Your story can inspire and help someone else. Consider exploring further reading on budgeting and personal finance. There are many resources available to help you on your journey. Remember, you have the power to change your financial future. It starts with a plan and a commitment to stick to it. Let me know in the comments below what strategies you will use. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, here are more videos to help on our journey. You can master your finances in 30 days. Good luck!